I am going to make pancakes because it is pancake day. First you need 1 cup of milk, then a cup of flour, then a cup of flour, then 1 egg, and then a pinch of salt. Now you need to mix it. I want to attempt a Baby Yoda pancake.